Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 3 multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition. For example, we multiplied by 3745 multiplied by 3. 3 5 ja 15, carrying 1, 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, carrying 1, 3 7 ja 21, 21 plus 1 22, carrying 2, then 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 2 11. This is our multiplicand. This is our multiplier. The result is product. What is multiplicand? A number being multiplied by a number being multiplied by a multiplicand is called multiplicand. A number by which multiplicand is called multiplier. The result of the number is called product. The result of the number is called product. Then for example, 35 multiply 4. 4 5 ja 20, carrying 2, 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 2 14. Here which number is our multiplicand? 35 is our multiplicand, 4 is our multiplier, then 140 is our product. The result of the multiplicand and multiplier is called product. Then properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. First property is ordering property. In an ordering property, we change the number in any order. In an ordering property, we change the number in any order. That property is called ordering property. That property is called ordering property. For example, 20 multiply 4 is equal to 80. 4 multiply 20 is equal to 80. First I write 20 multiply 4 is equal to 80. Then second I write 4 multiply 20 is equal to 80. Here the order is changed. Here the order is changed, but the result is not changed. This property is called which property? Ordering property. Understand? Then second is grouping property. In a grouping property, two or more numbers changed their order. The final result is not changed. In a grouping property, two or more numbers are changed their order. The final result is not changed. That property is called grouping property. That property is called grouping property. For example, 4 plus 5 plus 6. 3 numbers here. First we group 4 multiply 5. then multiply by 6. Here 4 5 are 20, then 20 multiply 6 is equal to 120. Then another group, first 4 multiply 5 multiply 6. I group in 5 and 6 in group. Then first we multiply 5 sijja. 4 multiply 5 sijja 30. Then is equal to 120. Another group, here I change the group, but the final result is not changed. The final result is not changed. This property is called grouping property. This property is called grouping property. The next property of zero. Zero property. We multiplied by 0 in any number, the result is 0. We multiplied by any number with 0, the result is 0. 375 multiplied by 0. What is answer? 0. 4178 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. This property is called zero property. Then property of 1. We multiplied by any number with 1, the result is the number itself. The result is number itself. 1745 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1745. Understand? 38 multiplied by 1, answer is 38. Understanding this? What are the properties? Again repeat. First, ordering property. Second, grouping property. Third, zero property. Then property of 1. Now we study multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Multiplication by by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Okay. Then here, look here. 37 multiply 10. 37 multiply by 10. First we write this number 37. 37. Then how many zeros in 10? How many zeros? 1 zero. We put 1 0 in the right hand side of the number. Right hand side of the product. 37 1s are 37. Okay. The property of 1. Then you put 1 0 in the right hand side of the number. What is our answer? 370. Again 45 multiply 10. What is your answer? First you write 45, right? Then how many zeros put? How many zeros? 1. Understand? Multiply by 10. Then now I multiply 100. Here I change in 100 multiplied by 100. 37 1s are 37. Then how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. We put 2 zero in the right hand side of the number. Understand? 48 multiply 100. What is answer? 48. How many zeros put? 2 zeros. Right hand side of the number. Understand? Then multiply by 1000. 73 multiply 1000. You say how many zeros put we? How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. 73. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Understand? 144 multiply 1000. Then you write 144 first write. Then how many zeros write? Understand? Next, multiplied by 10,000. How many zeros you put? 4 zeros. Okay. Multiply by 1 lakh. How many zeros you put? 5 zeros. Okay. Multiplication by end of the zero. Ending zeros. Listen. 450 multiply 30. 450 multiply 30. Now, only you take 45 and 3. First you multiply 45 and 3. Don't take the zeros. Don't take the zeros. Inside 45 multiply 3. Understand? Only you take 45 and 3. Then 3 5 15, carrying 1. 3 4 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Then this number you take 135. Then how many zeros we left here? 1 here, 1 here. Then 2 zeros you put in the right side of the product. Understand? One more? Yes. $7,500 multiply 40. Which number you take? 75 and 4. 75 and 4. 75 multiply by 4. Okay. Then first you multiply. 4 5 20, carrying 2. 4 7 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Then you write 300. What is our answer come here? 300. 300. How many zeros here left? Here 2, here 1. 0, 0. Understand? All students understand? Thank you for listening me.